So just to provide a brief overview of the conference program, so as you already know, the theme of the 2024 APM-CDRR is Surge to 2030, Enhancing Ambition in Asia Pacific to Accelerate Disaster Risk Reduction. We will be focusing on three thematic pillars. One is on disaster risk reduction financing, another one is on inclusivity and disaster risk reduction, and the third one is on localization. We're also integrating cross-cutting enablers such as science, technology, and knowledge, convergence and coherence, multi-stakeholder coordination and collaboration, full private sector engagement. So if you can kindly refer to your kits, that is the program that we have at present. So we have 3 plenary sessions that will tackle the 3 thematic pillars. We have 10 working sessions that will provide a discussion in more detail of these thematic pillars. We have 24 partner events that are organized by our partners. We have 8 learning labs that are classroom teaching type sessions meant to build capacity. We also have the Ignite stage, which are TED Talk platform for speakers to do storytelling and other interactive type of intervention. We also have a marketplace. We are expecting around 2,500 delegates in the PICC. And so far, per conference registration, there are already 62 countries that are being represented in this conference. So thank you very much.